Belvedere, Illinois, just outside of Rockford, about an hour and 10 minutes northwest of Chicago. I'm going to take you for a quick ride on my bike around the campground. Okay, we just left the site. You can probably hear the basket rattling. This is the CS loop. This is the main drag that comes down into the campground. There's the entry gate and exit gate. There's usually a ranger there to check you in, or there's a call box. Head over to this loop here. Pine Country has 1,000 trails, so our membership, we stay here as much as we want, up to 21 days at a time. Now come up here. I'll show you the bathhouse right here. Baths and showers. Park my bike here. There's our weekly newsletter. All right, there's nobody in here, so I can show you. It's got 4 individual with the shower, the toilet, and the sink. Very clean. Second one. Third one, and a fourth one. And that's over here in this loop. There are more showers and restroom facilities over at the clubhouse, which we'll be riding over to in just a couple minutes. All right, after leaving the shower house, we're up around the loop here. That's the entry coming into the park. This section has three lanes in it, all back-in spots. The bathhouse. Now we're on the way out. There's a pond right there. A dumpster. Another view of the pond over there. This little river I'm going over, this little stream was overflowed and it blocked the bridge our first day here. You couldn't get across. So some of the landscaping. They keep it very nice, almost like a golf course. Now we're just going to take you around to all the campsites. I really wish I would have taken my basket off. Not sure how loud it is on the video yet, but I'll know for next time. I don't remember it being that loud. There are tent sites down around there. Ooh, that's nice. Little classic car show right here at Pine Country. These spots are all annuals, most likely. Yeah, because we got the park model there and covered in shade, which is very nice. Although today it's only about 73, 74 degrees right now. The recent rain made a lot of gullies and potholes and stuff. So I'm driving one-handed, risking my life, all for the unbelievable RV tour video series. Just to show you the campgrounds we stay at. From here, we're here till Sunday, the 21st, then we go up to Neshonoc Lakeside Campground in La Crosse, Wisconsin. It's gonna be tough navigating one-handed here. All right, let's get down this lane here. Driving with my left, assisted electric pedaling. I was going to do this before today, but it was just too hot. Yeah, nice breeze. I suffer for this. From Neshonoc Lakeside Campground, we're there for a couple days. We go out to Sinla RV Campground on Lake Okoboji for my run of gigs at the Ritz Lakeside Patio in Arnold's Park / Okoboji. It's my Bamboo Beach Bar of Iowa. There's a propane station. Get your propane there. Also has a sewer dump. Going too fast for one hand here. We're going to take a quick ride through these other parts and then go to the clubhouse. Another section over there, which would look pretty much like this section. So we're just going to go through this section and show you the clubhouse. Show you the trailers here. Nice big field here, makes you want to hit golf balls. Got a fire pit out there. Now there's the swimming pool. We'll check that out. Here's the restroom and showers for the pool and for this side of the campground. All right, we're gonna go right down here and go in the clubhouse and the pool area. First, I'll go over here. They have a nice patio here. A lot of tables here. I don't know what kind of functions they have, because we usually aren't at many of the campgrounds weekend nights, because that's when I'm doing my gigs. I'll show you a little playground here. Do a little grilling, barbecuing. Right there is another pavilion. And then over there is a jump pad. Big air-filled thing, jump around, you know. Let the kids frolic, some hijinks. Pretty big pool, a lot of lanes. You can do a bunch of laps on that one. They're not all like that. This is the clubhouse here. I'm probably not going to say much because there's always people in there. Go around front here. When I come in, that's where I sit. Put the laptop on the table. Got games. I'm doing some work. Big TV on DirecTV. This is the office. And here's the laundry room. It's quarter-based. Also has the CSC app. 2 dryers, $1.25 a dryer, $1.25 a washer. 2 and 2. You can hang your stuff up as you do it. That's a bummer. Maybe I won't be doing laundry here, because I like my white t-shirts. I don't need them being orange rust colored. All right, let's go back out. All right, so that was your look at the clubhouse. I'll let you see behind me here. There's a field there, and the field has a low center. The other day there was a woman in a golf cart, and her dog was in the middle of the field because it filled in with water. He was in there splashing around all by himself, going nuts. Anyway, let's make our way back to the campsite, shall we? All right, leaving the clubhouse parking lot. Oh, gotta make some room here. Big fella coming in. Nice colored truck. I like that rust orange color. Now our campsite, CS19, is right up there. You might be able to see the CRV right there, but I'm going to go up around to show you our loop. Not a whole lot to it, but this is the upper part of the loop. Hey! That dog's a barker. And then behind these sites is the maintenance garage. And they have RV storage there. Most are about $100 a month for the storage. Now we'll come down here. And right there you see Odyssey Studios right there. That's our Integra Odyssey 29V. 2 slide outs. And my Honda CRV. And we're gonna wrap this one up.